Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Adobe Lightroom for color matching before edits, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Navigate to the Adobe Lightroom website. Click on the Sign In button at the top right corner. Enter your Adobe ID or the email associated with your account. Type in your password in the designated field. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link and follow the instructions. Once logged in, you will be taken to the Adobe Lightroom dashboard. If you're using Lightroom on a mobile device, download the app from your App Store. Open the Lightroom app on your mobile device. Tap on Get Started if you are new to Lightroom. If you already have an account, tap Sign In and enter your credentials. Next, navigate to the Edit option featuring the adjustment tools. Select the image you want to edit from your library. To match colors, go to the Color panel on the right side. Adjust the sliders for temperature and tint for proper color matching. Fine-tune your adjustments using the HSL sliders for specific color enhancement. Explore the Color Grading section to add specific tones to shadows, midtones, and highlights. Reference your previous edits for consistency across images. Once satisfied with the color adjustments, save your changes. You are now ready to proceed with your edits knowing your colors are matched effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.